It's weird, right? The humans' obsession with our poop? I mean, just look at the lengths they've gone to harvest the stuff.
Have you ever noticed how excited they get when a dog goes number 2?
What a good boy! That's my baby!
All we know for certain is that our feces must be very valuable.
Why else would they have invented this? This crazy high-tech poop harvesting machine?
Look at this thing. You on fancy odor-absorbing crystals, and then once you're gone, its special robot brain can sense it. That's when their cyborg dung butler rakes your deposit into its harvesting box. I don't even remember what my poo smells like anymore. It's like a part of me doesn't exist.
Every few weeks, a fresh tray of crystals automatically shows up to keep the whole system running. They've built an entire infrastructure to whisk our poo off to an undisclosed location in an armored tank.
But have you ever stopped to ask yourself why?
Open your eyes, people. They're using us for our poo.
Are they using it to weave their strange, floppy outer skins?
Are they fueling their moving couches with feces?
Do our deuces keep their faces hairless?
They're always staring at their hand rectangles. Could it be that humans are harvesting our turds to trade with other humans on their secret black turd market? Buying and selling pallets of our poop all day long?
If our bio-waste is this valuable, it must be worth billions. Or even millions.
It makes you wonder, what are they collecting our hairballs for?
Scoopfree self-cleaning litter box. A high-tech robot machine that harvests your cat's poop so you can sell it on the black turd market and make billions or even millions.
If you suspect a human is using you for your poo, please share this video.
My kitty Dawn is a curious little furball. She climbs, runs, and snuggles. They're her favorite things to do. She enjoys having fun all around the apartment, but with limited space, floor-standing cat furniture is out of the question. I recently discovered the award-winning Hangin Cat Condo by K&H Manufacturing. It's the answer to all of my cat's mischievous little desires. As its name suggests, the Hangin Cat Condo hangs on virtually any door, thus freeing up valuable floor space. Just unpack it and hang it on your door using the enclosed brackets and adjust it to fit snug and stable. With multiple connected levels, your cat will hop in and explore up and down each floor, choosing which levels are best for surveillance and which are best for nodding off. The K&H Hangin Cat Condo. Fun for cats, no wasted floor space, super easy installation, multiple levels for sleep and play. Now that's an idea to wrap your paws around.
When you can't be with the one you love, Petcube Play can. See in HD video and chat with two-way talk. Go ahead, take a break and play a game of chase. And when something's up, get notified with sound and motion alerts. With video history, never miss out and share your best clips. Petcube is the best home monitoring camera, day or night.
The Catalpa cat tree from the refined feline redefines feline furniture. The Catalpa replaces the embarrassing carpeted cat tree with a stunning design to please you and your cat. Your favorite feline will love to climb up this 5-foot-tall tower onto each of its extra-long branches, perfect for a cat nap. Each platform is covered with soft Berber carpet that is not only comfortable, but also easy to replace. And for the cat who loves to scratch, they can sink their claws into its durable sisal scratcher. The Catalpa's solid construction and weighted base keeps the tree stable, even for the most voracious of climbers. By expanding to a third platform set, purchased separately, this tree is perfect for multiple cat homes to give everyone their own space to perch. No more hiding your cat furniture in a back room. Have your cat front and center on this elegant cat tree that comes in various colors to match your home's decor. The Catalpa cat tree's simple yet elegant design is the solution for the stylish cat enthusiast who loves their cat and their home.